Today we're going to do the decomposition of baking soda lab. We're going to take some baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, and we're going to thermally decompose it. In other words, we're going to heat it up. It's going to undergo one of the three decomposition reactions that you see on your handout, and you're going to determine quantitatively which one of those decomposition reactions is actually happening. So I'll step through the procedure. We'll talk about it a little later. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this beaker on the balance. The only reason the beaker is there is to keep the test tube from rolling away. So I'm going to zero that out, and I'm going to put approximately 2 grams of, zero that out, approximately 2 grams of baking soda into the test tube. And when I say approximately, it doesn't have to be exactly 2.00 because we're going to measure it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take that 2 grams, or approximately 2 grams, in this case 2.15 grams, we're going to put it and we're going to heat it up using the Bunsen burner. Get a nice flame going. 1 strike is all I needed. And then we're going to go ahead and heat it up. So I'm going to hold it at an angle, and I'm going to kind of spread out the baking soda, and I'm just going to heat it up right at the top of the inner cone of the flame where the flame is hottest. And I'm just going to kind of move it around. I don't want to get any hot spots there in any one particular place. I just want to kind of spread it around. There's condensation forming at the top of the tube. And what I'll do is I'm going to do this for 10 minutes. Then I'll let it cool for 5 minutes. Now, you don't have to watch that happen, but when I come back, it'll be about 15 minutes later. We're back. I went ahead and heated up the baking soda for 10 minutes, let it cool down for 5 minutes, and now we're going to go ahead and take the mass and see what's the mass of the remaining contents of the test tube. And the contents that remain are 23.15 grams. So now, we lost some mass from when we started. That mass was products of decomposition. You are going to take the remaining mass of this white solid and use it to determine which of those 3 decomposition reactions actually occurred. I'm going to give you the data for 2 more trials. This was the first. And you're going to use the average of these 3 trials to determine which of the 3 decomposition reactions actually occurred.